Hey y'all, it's XoXo and I'm back with another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna be unboxing my Ivy box. I want to turn it around this way y'all can see my address. We don't need that, so okay. But we get these every month. Well, I just got back my subscription for the Ivy box, so I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So let's open it. And yes, I'm an AKA from Grambling Alpha Theta Fall 16, Ivy Park 41. Shout out to Beyonce. Y'all, this is hard to get open. But, yeah, this is hard to get open. Give me 1 second. I'm going to come back and I'm going to have it open. Okay, so I opened the packaging that it came in, but this is the box that it comes in. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And the thing is that, you know, if you're not a part of the sorority, you can go and get the gift for somebody else if you want to. They do monthly, I think 3 months, and then you pay for a year. So let's get into it. I don't know if this is the October box or the November box, but the next box I get, I'll let y'all know which one it was supposed to be. I'm also wearing an Ivy Storehouse jacket from the Ivy Storehouse where the box comes from, and it's a Vote 2020 shirt, so I hope that you all get out there and vote today. Just go over ahead and vote, you guys. If you're registered, get out there and vote. Okay, y'all, so let's see what comes in it. So pretty. So, lighting is everything, okay? Y'all, I'm new to YouTube, so my lighting is a little on this side, okay? But it's okay. They want us to show the Perry and share it. So, I'm going to put their link down and everything below. Ivy Storehouse loves you, and it's not just because you're pretty. So let's get into this wrapping. They have a cute sticker. It's so cute. And then the wrapping is striped. History makers. This is so cute, you guys. Like, look at this hat. And it has a little fur ball. Y'all, I know I'm making a lot of noise. I'm sorry. Y'all can make this a ASMR or something. I'm just playing. Comes with a little hat. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it has like a little fur ball on the top. Super cute. It has pins on it. Oh my goodness. I think this is Wakanda Forever right there. That's cute. Y'all, this is so cute. Like, oh my goodness. Got a sweater. Another one. I can't do that. I don't know how y'all do that. Whew, child, my ears. Y'all, look how pretty that is. I don't know if y'all can see it all the way. With the video, I probably got it cut out, but I'm sorry. This is really nice for the winter time. So this is the winter box. And if you guys didn't know who my soror is, this is really, this is perfect. Y'all, come on. Come on, Soror. Super, this is an amazing box. Like, this is really nice. So, this was the Ivy box. And I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. And hugs, kisses, sending them to you guys. Your girl is out.